कहते हैं कि हर परिंदा जब पहली उड़ान भरता है तो उसको डर नहीं हौसला होता है. And this has been truly shown, this has been truly proved by these young minds at Passion English Academy. I am truly overwhelmed. I myself don't know what to say, where to start from. I myself wonder, am I their educator? Have I taught them? Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for being a part of this wonderful, beautiful journey. Thank you for your support, your cooperation, your belief, for placing trust in Passion English Academy. Passion English Academy is not just a name. It's indeed my passion. ये जुनून है मेरा. It's the fire that drives me, the dream that I breathe, and the vision I hold dear. We right here, we truly say it's a place where winning becomes a habit. जहाँ पे जीतने की आदत लग जाती है. No matter where my students go, what they participate in, what activity they take. Many parents are here who have witnessed this. We announce a result first. When my students come to me, ma'am, I would like to participate in this activity, be it intra-school competition, inter-school competition, state level competition, MUN, whatsoever. Whenever they come to me, ma'am, I would like to participate in this activity, I announce my result first. I ask them to write down first position over there, and then I ask them to go and participate. And they come becoming victorious. The idea of conducting this public speaking session was not pre-planned. All this happened within a week. I was just conducting debate during winter season, during winter vacation. We were conducting debate, mock test in the classroom, and they were doing so amazingly that I wanted everyone to witness it. I wanted all the parents should be there and they should see how they are doing, because I am only there, I only see what the children are doing. First, I had planned to conduct this in the classroom. I thought we would connect the screen and I would call some parents one by one and then I would show them. I don't know how that idea conducting this public speaking session inside the four walls, when it spread its wings and came outside at this grand level. I myself don't know. All this happened within a week. Despite we had scarcity of time, some students have their English exams starting from tomorrow. Yet their dedication, their passion, the way they show their love was truly amazing. Without taking much time, I would just say English is not just a language or subject. It's beyond that. Whenever we go somewhere, the first question we encounter is, are you fluent in English? Do you know how to speak English fluently? Only those candidates can apply who are good in English, who are good at English. English is not just a language. My urge to everyone today, let's not run towards marks. Let's not judge our kids on the basis of marks they are getting. Let's not make them a rat who is participating in the rat race. They have the capability, they have the power, they have everything, what they want. With my guidance, with our guidance, your blessings, and with the hands of Almighty, they will conquer the mountains. Thank you.